The New Mexico State Police have released footage from the dashcam and body-worn camera of Officer Darian Jarrott. The video reveals the heartbreaking moment when Officer Darian Jarrott was brutally shot and killed while stopping an armed drug trafficker. On February 4, along I-10 outside Las Cruces, Darian Jarrott stopped a pickup truck for having overly dark tinted windows.
Afternoon, sir. My name is Darian Jarrott. I'm with New Mexico State Police. The reason for the stop is your window tint's a little too dark. Yeah. You mind if I open the door? Or if you want to roll down the window more.
As usual, the officer approached to check the vehicle's documents and perform related procedures.
I noticed you got temp tags. You got a registration for the vehicle? Yes, sir. I'll need registration and your driver's license as well.
The suspect, identified as 39-year-old Omar Felix Cueva, initially cooperated until the officer asked him to follow him back to his vehicle to check his name and date of birth.
Come with me to my vehicle, that way I can run your name and date of birth, and then that way I can get my return, okay? Go ahead, shut the vehicle off. If you want, it's up to you. Well, I know.
My license, if you find my wallet.
That'll work. Grab the phone and come with me to my vehicle so I can get the return, and then I can make sure that everything's good.
Moments later, Cueva stepped out of the truck with an AR-15 style rifle.
Yeah. No, I see it.
Jarrott seemed to have seen a weapon inside Cueva's truck when he stepped out, and asked Cueva if he could take it out of his reach, saying, "For my safety." Cueva did not comply and instead exited with the AR-15 style rifle and opened fire on Darian Jarrott.
Oh shit!
You can hear Jarrott shout, "Oh damn," as bullets began to fly. Police said Jarrott fell immediately, and Cueva ran up to him and fired several more shots at close range before fleeing the scene. While an officer from the Department of Homeland Security arrived and tried to save Jarrett's life, a 40-mile chase of Cueva ensued. Lionel Palomares and Sonny Montes spotted Cueva driving eastbound on Interstate 10 near mile marker 116. The police used a PIT maneuver to spin his truck around. PIT, Precision Immobilization Technique, is a maneuver used by police to stop a moving vehicle by causing it to lose control. This technique is typically used in highway chases or in dangerous situations where a vehicle needs to be stopped quickly and safely. Before the pickup truck came to a stop, Cueva exited with a gun and fired multiple shots at officers and deputies. LCPD Officer Adrian de la Garza and DSO deputies Diego Herrera and Obed Mart returned fire, hitting Cueva multiple times. Officer de la Garza was shot and airlifted to a trauma hospital in Texas, where he was treated and released with non-life-threatening injuries. The officers assisted Cueva until emergency medical personnel arrived at the scene. Cueva was critically injured and declared dead at the scene by the Office of the Medical Investigator. This ongoing investigation is being led by the New Mexico State Police Investigations Bureau. Officer Darian Jarrott was laid to rest on Friday, February 12, 2021, at Shakespeare Cemetery in Lordsburg during a private burial ceremony. It is a profound loss for a dedicated police officer. Many seemingly routine traffic stops can turn into tragic stories. The following incident might seem like a scene from an action movie, but it took place right in Pennsylvania. Police officers fought fiercely along the roadside with fast-moving vehicles passing by.
Hey, place your hands. Stop resisting! I got him. Keep the taser on. Stop resisting!
until officers were shot in the leg and neck before seeking cover under a guardrail. The police tased him after he resisted arrest. Clary then escaped from the police and retrieved a gun from his vehicle. The 22-year-old then opened fire on the officers. Kelly returned fire and was hit in the leg and neck before seeking cover under the guardrail. The back window of Clary's car was also shot by the police, but he managed to drive away. Deputy Prosecutor Terence Houck told the newspaper that the involved officers supported the release of the incident. "Our concern has always been the victims, the state police in this matter, protecting them," Houck said. "But after talking to them, they wanted it public. And so did I." Clary, 22, from Effort, Pennsylvania, is awaiting sentencing. Clary's lawyer did not immediately return a phone message left after hours. After the conviction, the lawyer told reporters that they believed he had a valid self-defense argument. This incident does not leave as profound a sorrow as Officer Darian Jarrott's death in the line of duty, but still raises alarms about the dangers in police work. If you found this story compelling, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with American Copwatch. Stay informed and stay safe.